Hey guys, I'm continuing my video tour part 2 because I was on the hunt to see if there are amenities in this community that they are about to release lots. I'm taping this in January of 2022. So just taking you a tour. It's an established community, so I wanted to take you through just so you can see the established homes already in here to see, you know, from not just taking my word for it, but as you can see, the houses are really nice, well maintained, a lot of, you know, brick fronts and stuff like that. And a new builder has come in and secured a bunch of lots. Looks like possibly it's gonna be 3 or 4 phases back there. And the sign says starting from the low 3s, for probably the smallest floor plans, and some of the larger ones I would say probably more in the mid to upper 300s. Won't surprise me by the time it's all said and done, especially if it's 3 or 4 phases, that we're going to end up in somewhere well into the 4s, maybe even touching 5 when it's all said and done. So I wanted to bring this opportunity for you or to you so that you can get in, hopefully maybe in phase 1 or 2, and build some really good equity for you. And when I left off in the last video, I wasn't sure if there were amenities, but it looks like there are. As you can see, there is a little playground here. There is a pool behind this clubhouse, which is really cute, and some tennis courts. I'll see if I could drive through here just so you can kind of see. So if you've been looking for a swim community, tennis community, playground community, and look, it's very well maintained. It has like 2 tennis courts, a little pool over here, pool area, and then the clubhouse and the playground. Again, showing you the tennis courts, the pool, we'll zoom in, and playground. I think it's going to be a good opportunity for you. So if you're interested at all, I'm going to find out exactly, you know, what floor plans are going in. From my understanding, usually this builder does mostly 2-story floor plans. There may be a ranch or 2 as well. Those, if they are, my assumption would be those would be more in the low 3s, and then the rest being more in the mid to upper 3s. If I just had to guess, by doing this quite a bit, obviously with Mark's home tours and meeting with builders and on-site agents and stuff like that. So if you're interested at all, remember, shoot me your full name, phone number, email, mention Lithia Springs, and I will put you on the list. As soon as I get word that lots are getting released, I will hit you up. In preparation for that, how this builder works is you have to get pre-approved through their preferred lender. I want to have that in-house and ready to go in case it's a offer system or a lottery system for lot releases, so that you can get top priority and get the better chance at it. Please remember, this is exclusive for Great Homes ATL family members, people that want to be Great Homes ATL family members. If you're already under contract with your agent, please let them do the homework and work for you. If you do not have an agent, you've been following us, you just discovered us, and you want us to represent you for free, then definitely please reach out to us. Full name, phone number, and email, and we will start this process for you. Again, my advice to you would be definitely reach out sooner rather than later. When I'm taping this, it's January of 2022. Just saw them about to lay down some slab lots, which usually tells me, looks like they're gonna have basement and slab lots, but looks like after they typically lay down the slab, that's when they release the floor plans for purchase. On average, I would say $2,500 to $5,000 in earnest money I would plan for. And again, I'm not sure 100% of the incentives, but from what I've seen from this builder, typically around $5,000, $4,000 or $5,000 towards your closing costs. And sometimes in their early phases, they offer some kind of incentives like credit towards, you know, blinds throughout, garage door opener, appliances minus the refrigerator, washer and dryer. Again, this location is terrific. It puts you in Douglas County. If there was no traffic, I would say about 20 to 22 minutes of downtown Atlanta. With traffic, I would say 25 to 30 minutes of downtown. And probably about the same to the airport. I'd say 25 to 30 minutes. Also back roads to Austell, Mableton, Powder Springs, Hiram, Dallas in one direction, South Fulton in another direction, and then If you continue to go west, you'd be running into still Douglas County. Tons of shopping, malls, restaurants, and stuff at your fingertips, about an exit or two down. All right, let me know if you're interested. Talk to you soon.